What we do is we act in the same way that an aggregator does, but we do all the work for you. So the benefits of using us versus an aggregator is you give us all the information. We will make sure that you are insuring yourself for the correct items that you need to. We will also search the market in the same way an aggregator does, but we're taking that risk away. So we're not asking you to do the work and to make the decisions. We do all that for you. That's the benefit of using Wesleyan. We get asked a lot, when is the best time to contact us to arrange your insurance? We would always say to you, get your quotation from your current insurance provider and bring that information to us and allow us to interrogate what you need, making sure that it's correct. That roughly will be, I would think, anywhere between 21 to 25 days. One of the things we encourage you to do is to be open and frank and trust us with the information you give us. The more information you give us, the better we can tailor that quote to make it suitable for your needs. So the insurance markets have moved a lot now in terms of pricing, and in the olden days they used to change their premiums maybe once every 2 or 3 months. The insurance market works today on a little process called real-time pricing, and what that means is the price you get today may not be the price you would get if you call back in 10 minutes. So pricing is so fluid and changes such a lot that we always encourage you to make sure the premium you get is the right premium for you. So one of the benefits of dealing with a broker such as Wesleyan is that we are a fully advised business. So what that means is that we will run through a fact find with you, and we will make sure that we ask you all the right questions to make sure that you are covering yourself for all of the risks that exist within your property. Now, not all brokers will do advice. Some brokers do non-advice. So we encourage you to make sure you know whether you are being given the advice or you're not being given the advice. A price comparison site, for example, is not advised. So that relies on you having a full understanding of insurance and entering all of the information into the comparison site. What you have to be aware of then is, should anything go wrong, that is your responsibility. The benefit of using a broker such as Wesleyan with an advice service is that if anything goes wrong, we are fully responsible for that, and we have protection in place to make sure your claim would be paid in full. So Wesleyan supports you in lots of different ways in arranging your insurance. The first one we've already discussed, which is making sure that you've got the right levels of cover. But it doesn't just stop there. There are additional protections you can add to your policy. Now, in the household market, a prime example would be Total Home Protection. Total Home Protection is a product that is unique to Wesleyan. And what that does is it builds a number of covers together, such as family legal expenses. It covers you for home emergency. And what that does is it makes sure that anything happens at any time during the year, you are fully protected. If we turn to motor insurance, we offer you things like a replacement car should your vehicle be covered or written off. We allow you to cover your excess. We give you a product called excess protection, as well as having a great range of breakdown policies. That's what we want to do, is make sure that you're not just covered for the small things, but you're covered for the big things as well. So as a broker, Wesleyan doesn't just arrange insurance through one provider. What we do is we source a panel of insurance companies, all of who will be extremely checked out to make sure they will offer a great service for our customers. But what it also makes sure is that we can cover just from small things to large things and everything in between. Whilst Wesleyan specialises in looking after its trusted professions, which is doctors, dentists and teachers, within the general insurance arm, we look to serve all customers. So that is not only the trusted professions, but it is family members and people that you may well know.